Hello viewers, I have been uploading some previous year question papers related to UGC NET paper 1, and in that series I have almost uploaded more than 50 videos. So in today's video we will try to discuss one more question paper of previous years, and this question paper, it is this exam, it was held in 5 March 2023. So it is a very recent question paper for us. Now without any delay, let's begin to discuss uh, our question paper. The first question that we have got, it is a mathematical question. Let us try to do it. The following table shows the details of details of one number of outlets, two average sales in 1 lakh per outlet, and total profit in lakh of all the outlets of 6 HP showrooms A to F selling laptops in 2 years 2020 and 2021. Based on the data in the table, answer the question. HP showroom wise sales and profit figures in 2 years. So this is the table that we have got. And one more thing, I have, and I will try my best to give you correct answer, but sometime despite my uh, attempt, you may see that some questions are some answers are wrong actually. So please try to verify from your own side also. So the table is like this. We have HP showroom in the first column, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then number of outlets 2020, 2021. I will not read the column wise. I will just read serially. 241535 and then 3636454 2021. And average sales in lakh per outlet 2020 100 340 120 180 360 80, and 2021 110 360 140 240 350 60, and total profit in lakh for of all the outlets 2020 21 80 50 250 80 240 300 30 to 21 120 400 100 360 20 320 30. So this is the table. Now what is the question? Number one question, it says, if the profitability per outlet is the ratio of average profit per outlet to the average sales per outlet, then the profitability per outlet was the highest in 2020 for the HP showroom A, B, C, D. What will be correct? What will be correct? So it will be number C. That means 3C. Okay, number 3 will be correct. Then number second says the following same table you have to study, and then question is this: HP showroom dash experienced the highest percentage increase in average profit per outlet in 2021 over that in 2020. So what will be correct? E, B, A, D. So number D will be correct. That means number 4. Next is, for all the outlets of a given showroom, if the total profit is equal to the total sales minus the total investment, then the total investment of HP showroom F in the year 2020 was what? 380 lakh, 330 lakh, 370 lakh, 300 lakh. Okay, it will be number C. That means 370 lakh means 3. Next is, wait, you have to be a little bit patient. Yes, number 4 we have got the total sales from the from all the outlets of a showroom was the highest in the year 2020 for the HP showroom dash A, B, E, C 1 2 3 4. So number B will be correct. That is number 2. Okay, next number 5 says The ratio of percentage increase in sales to the percentage increase in profit for the HP showroom D in all the outlets in 2021 over 2020 was what? 8 ratio 9, 11 ratio 13, 17 ratio 19, 6 ratio 5. It will be 6 ratio 5. Wait. 6 ratio 5 will be correct. Then next is, given below are two statements. Statement 1 says the objective of the memory level of teaching is to develop rational and critical thinking among students. Statement 2 says the objective of the reflective level of teaching is the ability to develop independent thinking and decision making among students. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1 and 2 are true, 1 and 2 are false, 1 is true, 2 is false, 1 is false, 2 is true. So what will be correct? Number 4 will be correct. That means statement 1 is false but 2 is true. Next is, given below are two statements. Statement 1 says course material provided through digital platform like Swayam helps learners go through it at any time and at any place. Statement 2 says discussion boards work as asynchronous medium as anyone can post any question or reply at any time. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. So read the options. This is the options. I will not read. Okay. So the correct option will be statement 1 and 2 are true. Both are correct. Then number 8. 8 says, which of the following are the characteristics of teacher-centered classroom management? Discipline comes from self. Teacher is the sole leader. Students are facilitators for the operations of the classroom. Students are allowed limited responsibilities. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. A, B, C, C, D, B, D, A, C, D. So it will be B and D. This will be correct. B and D. Next is, a person solves linear questions in algebra for a number of days and becomes progressively more efficient in solving linear problems. He not only becomes more accurate in his work but also solves the problems much faster. This progressive improvement in performance is a form of a transfer known as what? Learning to learn, generalization, transportation, identification. It will be learning to learn. He has learned to learn. Next, number 10 says, which of the following statement best describe lecture method of teaching? Small step presentation with feedback provided, content delivery in a lucid language, production of large number of ideas, theme-based interaction among participants. Number B will be correct, content delivery in a lucid language. Next is, a research paper evaluated by other experts either for publication or presentation at a conference is considered to have undergone what? Peer review, public review, private review, research review. Okay, it will be peer review. You must have heard. If you haven't, then immediately you should try to search about it. Next question says, when knowledge becomes replicable and verifiable, it is then called what? Humanistic, impressionistic, scientific, subjective. It will be scientific. Next, which of the following are the criteria of a successful interviewer? Ethical, open-minded, gentle and sensitive, balanced, rigid and harsh in comments. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A, B, C, D, B, C, D, E, A, C, D, E, A, B, D, E. It will be A, B, C, D. All are required. All are pivotal. Next, Next is, which of the following are ethical problems in research? Plagiarism, coercion, breach of confidentiality, beneficence, fidelity. ABC, BCD, CDE, ADE. 14. It will be ABC. Next, 15. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 says, for open-ended questions, respondents can produce their own answers without any restriction of length. Statement 2 says, the memory phenomenon of telescoping is not an issue in survey research. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Read it. 4 options are there. So correct one will be statement 1 is correct but 2 is not. Number 3. Next question is 15. It says yes, 15 is done. Now 16. It says the preface to a book is an example of what? Convoluted communication, ritualistic communication, informal communication, feed forward communication. It will be feed forward communication. Feed forward. Next, 17 says, wait, 16 done. Yes, 16 done. Now 17. It says, a message beneath a message is often referred to as what? Lower text, critical text, appended text, subtext. It will be called a subtext. Next, 18 says, what precautions are necessary in the context of online information? ABCD options are given. Let me read it. Discussion groups information is not amenable to checking. There is no need to compare the information given by different websites. Check the home page or the About Us section of the concerned website. Do not trust the information without date. Do not always trust the institution that owns the website. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. ABC, BCD, CDE, CDA. 18. It will be CDE. CDE are correct. Next, number 19 says, given below are two statements. One says, in the transmission model of communication, the emphasis is not on the process of communicating. 2 says, on the other hand, the symbolic model does not focus on the process of exchange of information. Now choose the options. So correct option will be 1 and 2, both are false. Next, 20 says, we have two lists. In list 1 we have communication codes, in list 2 we have characteristic. Natural code, technical code, ideological code, aesthetic code. Characteristics are reflection of mass or collective perception, appreciation of cultural artifacts, reflects the socio-cultural world, operational modes of media. So C will be correct. A3, B4, C1, D2. Next, 21. It is a numerical ability question. Okay, let me read it. It says, a man starts walking from his home. He walks 20 meters in the west direction, then turns right and walks 30 meters. Thereafter, he walks 10 meters in the east direction. Find the aerial distance between the end point and the starting point. So these are the options for you. You have to do it through your pen and paper. Then only it will be done. But if you are a genius, then that is other thing. If you are mathematical prodigy, so what will be correct? It will be 21. A will be correct. 1 will be correct. This thing. 22. A is the son of B, but B is not the father of A. How is B related to A? Grandmother, grandfather, mother, uncle. Okay, it will be mother. Mother. Wait. Yes, mother. Next, 23. In the forest, there are some tigers and peacocks. The total number of heads is 90 and the total number of legs is 240. Find the total number of tigers and total number of peacocks in the forest. There is tigers, peacocks. So these are the options: 35, 55, 45, 45, 40, 50, 30, 60, 23. Correct option will be 30 and 60 in the bracket. 23 is finished. Now 24. What number should replace question mark in the series given below? 125, 129, 120, 136, 111, 147. Then what? 183, 258, 196, 998, 24. Correct option will be 98. This is our answer. How? Try to do it by yourself. Next is our question. If in a certain coding language A26, G20, G32, sum 56, then the value of cum will be equal to what? 60, 72, 40, 48, 36. It will be number 2, that is 72. Then next question is 26. It says, which logical fallacy is exemplified in the following statement? No one can criticize the Freudian psychoanalysis unless the one who criticizes himself has been psychoanalyzed. Ad hominem, appeal to authority, appeal to ignorance, equivocation. So 26, correct option will be number ad hominem. Done. Then 27. Which of the following propositions is logically equivalent to the proposition all frogs are amphibians? No amphibians are non-frogs. No frogs are non-amphibians. Some amphibians are frogs. Some amphibians are not frogs. Okay, it will be no frogs are non-amphibians. 28. If the proposition some fishes are not amphibians is given as false, then which of the following propositions can be immediately and inferred to be true? No amphibians are fishes. All fishes are amphibians. No fishes are amphibians. Some fishes are amphibians. So it will be B and D. BD will be correct. Next 29. Which of the following propositions are so related that they cannot both be true, although they may both be false? All frogs are amphibians. Some frogs are amphibians. Some frogs are not amphibians. No frogs are amphibians. A, C, C, D, B, C and A, D. So question number, it was 29. Correct answer will be A and D. These are correct. 30. Which of the following argument is an example of the fallacy of sadharma, narrow middle term, according to Nyaya, classical Indian school of logic? Sound is non-eternal because it is produced. Sound is eternal because it is audible. Sound is eternal because it is produced. Sound is quality because it is visible. So, what do you think? It will be sound is eternal because it is audible. This will be correct. 30 is done. 31 says, if 1 megabyte is equal to 2 above 20 bytes of computer data storage, then 2048 terabytes is equal to dash bits of data storage, 251, 244, 254, 257. It will be 254. Which of the following best describes Web 2.0? Static websites, intelligent websites, social media and user-generated web content, hypertext markup language. It will be social media and user-generated web context. Next is 33. It says, given below are two statements. Statement 1 says video cards and sound cards are typical examples of computer software. 2 says examples of software utilities include antivirus software, anti-spyware software and screensavers. In the light of the above statements, now choose the correct answer from the options given below. So this is the options that you have got. Now try to choose any one from the said options. So 1 is false, 2 is true. This will be our correct answer. Next, which of the following statements are true? Hypertext links in the www are designed to be unidirectional, which means that the destination of a link may be moved or deleted without the source being notified, resulting in broken links. B says the Google search engine algorithm is secret, so the general public does not know how the result of a search are being ranked when presented to a user. C, web search engines collect personal data and use that data to target users with customized advertising. Choose the correct options A, B, A, C, B, C, A, B, C. 34, correct option will be A, B, and C. All are correct. 35. In list 1 we have computer term, in list 2 we have description. List 1 says JPEG, MIDI, MP3 format, MP4 format. List 2 says standard adopted by the electronic music industry for controlling devices such as synthesizers and sound cards, sorry for the pronunciation. And then 2, this format allows the storage of multimedia files rather than just sound. File compression format designed to make photo files smaller in size for storage and transmission. And for transmission, for file compression system for music which does not noticeably affect the quality of the sound. So this is the question that you have got. Now choose the correct answer. So this is the options. I will not read all. Do it by pausing the video. I will tell you the correct answer now, and that is number 1. A will be related to 3, B 1, C 4, D 2. Next is 36. Non-point sources of water pollution are what? A, B, C, D, E are the options. From specific location, diffuse, episodic, identifiable, difficult to monitor. Now choose B, C, E, A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E. 36, correct option will be B, C, and E. 37 says, which of the following are biofuels? Gasoline, methanol, methane, ethanol. ABC, BCD, BD, AD. It will be B and D. Next. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 says International Solar Alliance's present post of president is held by India. 2 says the United States of America is not a member of International Solar Alliance. Now choose which one will be correct. It will be 1 is true but 2 is false. What was 2? Let me read it for you. Reiterate for you. The United States of America is not a member of International Solar Alliance. This is wrong. That what I have got, but please try to verify. 39 says given below are two statements. Statement 1 says United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change UNFCCC was framed during Kyoto Protocol 1997. Statement 2 says Kyoto Protocol set up different limits of carbon emissions for individual nations depending on their output before 1990. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer. So this is the options. Read it. It will be 1 is false but 2 is true. This will be our answer. 4. Number 40 says we have two lists. In list 1 we have pollutant, in list 2 we have source. Lead, mercury, benzene, cadmium. List 2 source coal, ambition, batteries, paint, petrol. These are the options. 40. Correct option will be A. That means A will be related to 3. 3, B1, C4, D2. Next is 41. Which of the following are the main focus areas of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan (UBA)? A says holistic development of rural clusters. B, reorient the academic curricula and research program in higher education institutions to align them with development of local community. C, enable effective intervention at the field level. Inculcate the moral values. So these are the statements. Options are like this: A, B, C, B, D, S, C, A, B, C, D. 41 correct option will be A, B, and C. Except D, all are correct. Next is, which of the following are the central universities of India? Nagaland University, Nagaland; Acharya Nagarjuna University, Andhra Pradesh; Sikkim University, Sikkim; Manipur University, Manipur; Guwahati University, Guwahati. BDE, SCD, ABC, CDE. 42, it will be number B. A, C, and D only. 43. Given below are two statements. One says UGC University Grants Commission became a statutory organization of the Government of India by an Act of Parliament in 1956. 2 says National Council of Educational Research and Training (NCERT) is an autonomous organization set up in 1961 by the Government of India. Which one will be correct? Choose one. 43. Number A will be correct. 1 and 2 both are correct. 44. During the colonial period, veterinary colleges were opened in Lahore in 1832, Bombay in 1882, Calcutta in 1843, Delhi in 1899. A, B, C, D, A, B, A, D, A, B, C. 44. Correct answer will be D. That is A, B, and C. A, B, and C. 45 says, during ancient period in India, which of the following universities developed in connection with temples and became centers of community life in places of their location? Odantapuri, Navadip, Bhalavi, Banaras. A, B, B, D, C, D, A, B, C. 45, it will be B, and D. 46. Okay, from 46 to 50 we have a passage, and after reading that passage we have to answer the question. I think this is doable and it keeps on changing in every exam, so just try to solve it by yourself. If you solve it or other, it doesn't matter. You just have to solve any comprehension question, that's all. So I will not do it. Okay, thank you so much.